Hope all of you will be fine, and thanks for a great or a huge comments and likes for our precious video. Now in this video I'm gonna show you about the features of a Max Master 3S review. First of all of you can search on Google, which is a very famous domain. After coming to Google, you can search a website which name is gadgets360.com, which is a famous website. In this video, all of you can search about mobiles, telegram, crypto, audio, PC, laptop, science, whatever you want to search, you can search here. But I'm going to show you, yeah, a Logitech MX Master 3S review. Click here. Oh, my net is very slow. Here is a picture. Oh, now here's the picture website which is showing us, which name is Max Master 3S review like no other. Uh, Beautiful picture and design, logo, which highlights in this sections we can know about the features of this precious MX Master. Logitech MX Master series of computer mic has been only a few upgrades over the years. Logitech usually adds one new features every now and then that we never knew we wanted or needed, and that this end up becoming the norm in future iteration. Most recent was the mega speed electronic scroll wheel, which made an appearance on the Max Master 3, and it is also present in the Max Master Anywhere 3. With the latest Max Master 3S, Logitech has added a new quiet click features which promises to reduce the clicking sound of the mouse buttons to a bare minimum. It is something I never knew I would want from a productively mouse, but now that I have been using it for a few weeks, I realized that it is here. It is hard to get accustomed to anything else, and here's why. Here's the video. You can also watch this video. Logitech MX Master 3S price and box content. This price is around about mm, in dollar $99.99, roughly 799. What I also would have liked to see in a carry case bundle with the Indian unit, which is included with unit sold in the USA. Oh, it is a very unique model and size. You can see it. I hope. Oh, it is the new model, new mouse. I like this mouse. I want to also purchase this mouse. I hope this video will be very beneficial for all of you. Wait for our next video. Bye.